Hello again, guys. Another video with some updates on the boat. We're gonna do some. I finally got some new stuff. I got the bus bar for the all the load, so we can connect that up. So I'm really psyched about doing that today. And yeah, going down to the boat. We have had some bad weather last few days. A little bit cloudy. We haven't pulled in that much power, but this is a good test also of the system to see how many days we can go without without any the proper charging. So we're down to 87% on the battery right now. We're pulling in a little bit of watts right now. It says sunny, but it's a little bit high clouds outside, or a little bit overcast. So we are going to go down to the boat today and put in some more stuff. I'll show you here what I got. I finally got it on the mail. There we go. I finally got it on the mail. The new bus bar. Oh, we actually got a couple of fuses also. Well, that's good. Yeah, so we're gonna put it. We're gonna install that today and start putting wiring up some cables in the old rat's nest that is the electrical box system. And I also got this guy. It's a smart tablet. Oh, maybe that's a better picture of it. Yeah, so this one we're gonna install also, and we have got finally the USB, what is it, USB car adapter, it says, with the QC 3.0 USB-C. That's the one. USB-C is one we can connect. And I bought these guys also. We have a hole punching thing here with for the screwdriver. So we'll see if we'll install that today. But the main today will be the bus bar. Yeah. So let's go down to the boat. Yeah. So first, make some tea and then go down to the boat and install some stuff. Yay! Ooh, it's cold outside, but sometimes you just have to stop. Sometimes you just have to stop and smell the flowers. Look at this. Ah, it's nice. It's not much, but it's summer is just around the corner. Very nice. Lovely. Not that warm outside, but it's warm in the boat, and that's nice. Yay! Ah, it's nice in here. It's like, ooh, it's almost 20 degrees in here, so that means hats off. Very nice, very nice. So first, so some new things happened since the last video. First of all, I got some of these nice blue seats down here into the boat, and also the carpet, the rug, whatever you call it, some of the smaller ones here. And I also got some boxes delivered from the winter storage with all the neat boating stuff in, and I have the surveillance camera. It's up here. Yeah. So the boat has been going this whole weekend online, both with the solar and I've been able to tap into it on my phone. I can actually go in and check. Let's see what it looks like right now when we're sitting here. I'm using a Reolink camera, so there you have it. I can see what's going on there, and we have night vision also, which is very cool, so I can see what's going on in the night. So first things first, I can hear myself. I am going to tidy up here a bit. Let's get some of the boxes unpacked and get some of the stuff put up in the boat. Let's make it a little bit nice in here, because that needs to be done. My plan was to actually install all of the electrical system before I did this, but reasons, I got everything transported down here, so let's do that first. let's tidy up here, let's unpack the boxes and make it nice. There I have it, a small improvement. The cushions, the seats are up and the pillows are in the front, and the only thing missing is here this boring piece of what is it, a carbon fiber that's sticking out here, or whatever, plastic. This is going to be covered by a cushion that I forgot at home. So that's what's left actually to unpack here in the boat. I got some of the life vests up and some other nice stuff. So I need to show you this also. This is my sjömanskyl in Swedish, like a sailor's fridge, like a really simple way to keep stuff cold here. This is like almost insulated, this space, except for this part, which is like the bulk of the, it's just it lays directly, there's water underneath here, making it really cold down here for now, at least as long as the water is cold. So it's like what is it, 50 Fahrenheit in here, like 15 degrees Celsius. And this isolation here, that's like up here, it's isolated against the just the air outside. So yeah, keeps it a little bit cool. It's really cool to the touch in here. So this is a really cool thing, and it's the same isolation I've been using out here also. So this boat, it's really kind of warm and nice once it's cold outside. So that's nice. And we had the basic sjömanskyl. Yeah, nice little thing. Yeah, and here's another little thing that came from the winter storage. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing you have ever seen? It is a little vacuum cleaner, and yeah, this is a little jump forward in time. I'm recording this after I installed all of the electrical thingies here. This should now be hooked up. 12-volt vacuum, isn't it lovely? Thank you. And we are pulling in some solar, 19 watts. That's very nice. The weather has improved a little bit. I started with disconnecting this security camera just to see if, or just to actually charge up the batteries more. But that felt a little bit cheaty because I really want to test the system now. So I'm gonna let this be online here and draw as much power as it needs, and then we'll see, like, what improvements we can do to the system. If this needs to be like unplugged during the daytime just to save up some power, but it's like the load right now is like 0.5, 0.6 amps, and that's not much. That's really not much at all. We have the modem, we have the Raspberry Pi, and we have the camera going with 0.6 watts. Like, I think that's pretty good actually, and with just 19-20 watts coming in of solar, it's it's charging pretty good, I think. Now I can start going bananas on the electrical system. Finally, let's do something here in the electrical box. This is the thing. Oh, so look at this. Here we go. Here I have all of my temporary connections and stuff that's gonna be sorted out today. Hopefully, I think I can manage to put everything back in some kind of good order. We have all of these things coming in here from loads that need to be distributed into a nicer connection box, a nice bus bar, DC 12-volt bus bar. So yeah, this is before. And this is what it looks like afterwards. So a little bit tidying up here has been done. I only put down the one new bus bar here. Somebody's talking on radio, excuse me. So I only put down the new one. I tried to hook it up to the old one, it looked like it was actually going to work. And I started disassembling the old fuse box bus bar, but yeah, turned out that was not a good idea. Because everything just yeah, it's still working, I guess, but I can't get the little diodes to go up here, so I screwed that up. But the good thing is it's a little bit more cleaner now, and as it seems like we have 3 free slots here that we can still attach things to, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with this as far as it goes for now. I put up, I used the negative side from the old fuse box, and I put like a common negative bus here because there's a lot of cables coming in here, and it's better to have it like all arranged up here instead of it just going negative bars to the negative side on this one. So I just have a common line going between them, and I think that's a little bit more cleaner. So, and I tried to strap things up as good as it goes. Forgot this one. This one has to go also. I have to fix that. So, but anyways, almost all of the cables are neatly done, and this took way much more time than I anticipated. So that's actually all I have time for today to mess around with. I need to go and pick up my daughter from school now also. But this was fun. So a little progress update here. We didn't get to do the other things, put down the outlets for charging, and the what do you call it, tablet holder. The tablet holder, that's also on the to-do list. But the good thing is battery is, as I recall last checking it, yeah, it is 100% full, and it's just like 3 o'clock. Not that much sun. The weather has been, yeah, let's see, more or less like this, a little bit overcast, broken in some for some time. Not that much, but mostly a lot of cloud, and still the battery got charged, so now we have a full battery, so we can go for at least another 2-3 days with more or less no sunshine coming in and charging the batteries. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, so shorter video today feels like, but yeah, a little bit of an update. And now I'm gonna go back, I hope, back home, and then I'm gonna go pick up my daughter, and I hope that you have had a good time watching this video, and that you have a super awesome day. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, I might have time to actually grab myself a cup of tea in the little sunshine that is outside. Yeah, I'll do that before I go. Yeah. Okay, bye bye. Have a super awesome day. Bye bye.